I, SK Sinha, your maths teacher. Today, I am going to teach the chapter 1C. But before it, some properties you have to notice about it. Here, additions of rational number. Case 1, when given numbers have same denominator, in this case, we define A by B plus C by B is equal to A plus C by B. Here B is in the place of denominator and both denominator are same. That time the same denominator will become the same LCM. The first questions of your exercise 1C is on the same property. Add the following rational number minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here, what we have seen? We have seen 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. In both places, the same denominator. So, in that cases, minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 5 is become the LCM of it and minus 2 plus 4. Here 2 by 5 is the answer. The same property has followed. A by B plus C by B is equal to A plus C by B. In that cases, you have to add only the numerator. The denominator become the LCM of it. Case 2 shows when denominator of given number are unequal. Like your question number 2 is given. The method of this pattern, in this case, we take the LCM of their denominator and express each of the given number with this LCM as the common denominator. The question number 2, here question number 2, add the following rational numbers 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 5. Here, what we have seen? 3 by 4, the denominator is here 4 and minus 3 by 5, the denominator is here 5. Both are different. Both are unequal. So, the same method will be applied. Take the LCM of them 4 and 5. The LCM of these numbers are 20. 3 by 4 plus minus 3 by 5. 4 5 just. Here this denominator LCM will be divided by denominator and the result will be multiplied by numerator. 3 into 5 plus 5 4 ja 20. Here minus 3 into 4. 3 5 ja 15 plus under bracket minus 12 by 20. 15 minus 12 by 20. This one 3 by 20 and the 3 by 20 is the answer of this question. Now the next property, next case which you have already read in as an integer. Some property 1, closure property, but here we will read as a rational number. The sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. If A by B and C by D are any two rational numbers, then A by B plus C by D is also a rational number. For example, 2 and minus 5 by 4. When we added it, 2 plus minus 5 by 4, here the LCM of it 4, 4 2 ja 8 and plus minus 5. This one 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is also a rational number. So commutative law. In commutative law, two rational numbers can be added in any order. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. Either this one the first or second. Like here a plus b and b plus a. In any order it can be written. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. Thus, for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d, we have a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. This one is a commutative law. Is associative law. Here three rational numbers are given. You can easily arrange them in any order, like the previous commutative law. While adding three rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. Thus, for any three rational numbers, here first rational number is a by b, second c by d, and third one e by f. We have a by b plus c by d under bracket plus e by f is equal to a by b plus under bracket c by d plus e by f. We can arrange it in any order. Property number 4, existence of additive identity. Here, 0. 0 is a rational number such that the sum of any rational number and 0 is the rational number itself. Thus, a by b plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a by b is equal to a by b. For every rational number a by b, 0 is called the additive identity for rational. For example, 2 by 3 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 by 3. We get only 2 by 3. This rational number. So, no changes when 0 is added to the any rational number. Is property 5, existence of additive inverse. For every rational number a by b, there exists a rational number minus a by b such that a by b plus minus a by b is equal to a plus minus a by b. Positive and negative. So here the value 0. So 0 by b is equal to 0. And similarly, minus a by b plus a by b is equal to 0. It means positive rational number is added with a negative rational number whenever both have the same numbers, but one is positive and another is negative, the answer will be 0. Thus, minus a by b is called the additive inverse of a by b. Like, for example, 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Here, when we take the LCM 3, 2 plus minus 2, we obtain here 0 by 3. The answer is 0. The last property of rational numbers, subtractions of rational numbers. For rational numbers a by b and c by d, we define a by b minus c by d is equal to a by b plus minus c by d. It means additive inverse of c by d. Here we can write it a by d plus additive inverse of c by d. For this property, one example is given here. Try to solve. Subtract 5 by 7 from 2 by 5. Here, which one is subtract? 5 by 7 is subtracted from 2 by 5. So, 2 by 5 will write first plus additive inverse of 5 by 7. 2 by 5 plus minus 5 by 7. 2 by 5 minus 5 by 7. Take the LCM of 5 and 7. It will get 35. 5 7 ja, here 2 into 7 minus 5 into 7 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25. So 14 minus 25 by 35 minus 11 by 35. This one the answer. So such type, this by the help of these properties we can subtract both rational numbers. The exercise questions 1 or 2 I have given you earlier. Now question number 3, verify the following. Question number 1, minus 12 by 5 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 2 by 7 plus minus 12 by 5. It is much necessary for you to read all the properties, otherwise you fail to complete it. Here what we have seen, this one the additive inverse of 12 by 5, and here this one positive rational number. Again 2 by 7 plus additive inverse of 12 by 5. This one the LHS and that one the RHS. Both will be simplified. Take the LCM 5 and 7. We will get it 35. 5 7 ja. So minus 12 into 7 plus 7 5 ja. 2 into 5. Minus 84 plus 10 by 35. So here 84 is in negative and 10 is positive. Negative integer, the value of negative integer is less than the value of positive integer. Now our answer will be get in negative integer. So 74 by 35. This answer has come in the side of LHS. Again we will see that take the LCM of 7 and 5. Again we get 35. 7 5 ja and minus 12 into 7 5 7 ja. When we simplify it, our answer will be the same, minus 74 by 35. Here this one the verified, LHS is equal to RHS, and here you will write verified. Such a way you can solve all these questions. Now question number 4 is related on the property commutative law. You can easily solve like the question number previous question number 3, and here question number 5, minus 3 by 17 plus minus 12 by 5 is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus what? So minus 3 by 17 is not written there. So this one the answer. Now question number 1 to 5 today I have cleared it. You will try your level best, and then if you have any problem, so you may write related questions on comment box. I will completely describe these questions for you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Before it, you must have to share these videos with your friends who don't get their parents portal. On their WhatsApp, you will share it. Thank you.